We live in a world teeming with invisible enemies, bacteria, viruses, fungi, a constant, silent onslaught. But to survive, your body has evolved its own internal military, the immune system. A sophisticated network with walls, patrols, and special forces, fighting a war for you every second of the day. The first line of defense is like a fortress. Your skin is the tough outer wall, almost impenetrable. If anything gets past, it faces chemical traps. Sticky mucus in your lungs acts like flypaper, while stomach acid is so potent it simply incinerates most invaders that you swallow. But what if the wall is breached, say through a cut? The second line activates instantly. This is the innate system, the foot soldiers. White blood cells called big eaters rush to the scene, engulfing any germ they find. That swelling and heat you feel? That's inflammation, the body opening up highways for millions of these cellular soldiers to join the battle. Even a fever isn't the sickness, it's your body turning up the heat to cook the invaders out. If the invasion is too strong, the elite forces are called, the adaptive system. It's slower, but it's intelligent and specific. It learns the enemy's uniform, a unique protein called an antigen. Helper T cells act as the generals, analyzing the threat and shouting orders. They activate B cells, the archers, who fire thousands of Y-shaped proteins called antibodies. These antibodies lock on to the invaders, marking them for destruction. And here's the most incredible part: memory. After the war is won, a few veteran memory cells remain, patrolling for decades. If the same enemy ever returns, they launch an overwhelming attack before you even feel sick. This is immunity. It's how vaccines train your army without a real war. It's a silent, constant victory, won by the army within.